event is a chance to connect with the next generation of learners and future professionals.
I want to extend our gratitude with all of our business partners as you walk beside the district and our students to highlight the benefits of this type of program.
These collaborations provide valuable, real-world learning opportunities for our students, helping them see how what they learn in the classroom connects to the many career paths and possibilities that await them after graduation.
CTE pathways are important because they provide students with real-world skills, hands-on experience, and industry-recognized credentials that lead to career and college readiness.
Together, we can create a powerful bridge between education and industry, one that benefits students, strengthens local businesses, and enriches our entire community.